Hi, everyone. I'm Doug Alsdorf. Let's talk a little bit about the fear of missing out, FOMO. We're going to do that by talking about two stocks and ask the question, which stock has performed better since January 2021, Ford or Tesla? And after watching this short video, I want you to go ahead and watch the longer video for Chapter 9 and also read the PDF that's in the book. So here is the stock chart for Tesla with $10,000 in reinvesting dividends, and the chart is from Morningstar. Note that Tesla does not provide dividends, but Ford does, and so that will be our comparison. As soon as I show you what Ford looks like. This is the stock chart since January 21 all the way up to the middle of 2025, and we see that $10,000 invested in Tesla would have produced about $12,000. But here's the surprising part to me. Now I've added Ford to this, and we see that Ford is the red line. And since January of 21, Ford is the better stock. And I'm surprised by that because of all the attention that Tesla has received over these past several years. And yet Ford is the better stock. Now, I have the fear of missing out because I also am aware of what Tesla was doing back from when it IPO'd in the middle of 2010. So the blue line now is Tesla's stock price with $10,000 reinvested. And oh my goodness, over about 10, 11 years, $10,000 produced $1.8 million. So certainly in the January of 21, which is right here at the end of the chart, I would have seen all this growth and said, I got to get in on Tesla. I've got a fear of missing out on more of this growth. And yet that's not what happened. And so have a look at the longer videos, I should say, in chapter 9.